Hi, in this video you will understand how to make a program for this static sequence. Okay, for you can see that there is 4 rows, 1 2 3 4 5, but for 4 rows also there is a space also, there is spaces. Okay, and static also present. So rows, spaces and static, three integers we are going to use in the integer data type. Okay, and for this is similar to the numbering system which I told you in the my last to last video. Then you have to see that in the my previous video that how I make this program. So let's move towards the program. So how to make it. Okay, maintain from 1 to 5 because rows are 1 to 5. Okay, and for j value I have to write 1, and for this I have to write 5 minus I. Why? Because first when the value of I equals to 1, then j equals to 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Then it will print 4 spaces first. So this it will print. Okay, and after that we have to print the static. For printing the static we have to close the bracket, and after that we have to introduce for loop equals to k, and k equals to 1, k equals to 1, and this, and it will print how many time? One time. And first when the value of I is 1, so I put it there I, and k plus plus. Okay, and it will print the static first. Okay, and after that it will print the backslash and 4 and semicolon. So then see that undeclared identifier k. Oh my god, when I use previous program, okay, that's why there was not a k. Okay, so and introduce there 1 2 3 4 1 2, just 1 is extraneous. Okay, I think all done. Yeah, all done. Then so run it, and after run I will understand all of you about how this program work. Okay, okay, save, compile and run. So there you can see that star sequence is like we are hope. Okay, similar that. So then look toward there how to how it will work. Okay, so for this work this I value is 1 means that our row is 1, and I 5 minus I is 4, mean that 4 time we have to print the spaces 1 2 3 4, and after that our program this printing function, after that k equals to I, means k less than k. Okay, I value is 1, so it will print one time this static. Okay, one time this static, and after that it will come to new line, and after coming to new line it will print 5 minus I become 2, 5 minus 2 equals to 3, so it will print 3 times the spaces, and to become in k I value is 2, then it will print 2 times the static, and so on that way, like all program become work. So I hope all of you are understand from this video. So please like, share and subscribe, and please bell icon press. So okay, thank you very much, and please like, subscribe. Okay, thank you.